In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Dmarc with Klaviyo in just 5 minutes. This powerful tool enhances your email security by helping prevent domain spoofing, ultimately improving your email deliverability, and preserving your brand's integrity. So let's dive straight in and get your Dmarc record up and running. First up, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. It's quite straightforward. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Klaviyo login page. If you're not already logged in, you'll see a prompt asking for your email and password. Punch in those credentials carefully. Remember, your email and password are key to accessing the treasure trove of features that Klaviyo has to offer, so keep them secure and confidential. Once you've entered your email and password, go ahead and click on the login button. You should now be looking at your Klaviyo dashboard, which is essentially your control center for all things email marketing. Now you'll want to move towards integrating your email domain with Klaviyo, which is crucial for setting up your Dmarc. Look for the settings option, usually located in the lower left corner, or sometimes through a drop-down menu near your account name at the top right. Clicking on settings will bring you to a new page with various options. Within settings, find and click on accounts. This area lets you manage the basic settings related to your Klaviyo account, including your domains. Next, select domains from the available options. Here you'll see an option to connect a domain. This is where the magic begins for setting up Dmarc and ensuring your emails have that extra layer of verification and security. After clicking on connect a domain, a setup wizard will guide you through a few steps. Start by clicking next, and you'll enter a crucial step, adding your sending domain. Your sending domain is essentially the domain name that your emails will come from. For example, if your business is called Delicious Snacks, you might have a domain like deliciousnacks.com. Enter your sending domain, then proceed by clicking next. You'll now need to select your domain provider. This is important because the specific instructions for configuring your Dmarc may vary slightly depending on your provider. If you're not using one of the listed providers, don't worry. Simply select Other, and Klaviyo will provide you with a more generalized set of instructions suitable for most domain providers. Now, after you've selected Other, click Next again, and you'll arrive at the verification stage. This part is critical. Verifying your domain ensures that only you can send emails on behalf of your domain, significantly cutting down on the possibility of impersonation or email spoofing. Go ahead and click Verify. Klaviyo will check to ensure that your domain is properly configured and ready to go. This might take a moment, so be patient. Once verified, you're almost there. Simply click Finish and voila, you have successfully integrated your domain with Klaviyo and set up Dmarc. You've taken a significant step today towards improving your email security. Remember, the internet can be a bit of a wild west, and taking measures like setting up Dmarc helps ensure that your emails reach their intended recipients securely, and that your brand's reputation stays intact. But we're not quite done yet. After setting up Dmarc, consider taking some time to explore other security features Klaviyo offers, as well as ways to optimize your email campaigns. Security and engagement go hand in hand. A secure email domain builds trust with your audience, which in turn can lead to better engagement rates. That wraps up our walkthrough on setting up Dmarc with Klaviyo in just about 5 minutes. Remember, taking the time to configure these settings now can save you from potential headaches down the road. And with that, I wish you great success with your email marketing efforts. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy emailing.